Now let us study about thermometer. What is thermometer? A device that measures temperature or a temperature gradient. That is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Thermo is a Latin word, means heat. Meter means measure. A piece of equipment that measures the amount of gas, water, electricity, voltage, etc. Thermometers are widely used in technology and industry to monitor processes in meteorology, in medicine, and in scientific research. What is meteorology? That it means the branch of science concerned with the processes and phenomena of the atmosphere, especially as a means of forecasting the weather. During the COVID-19 pandemic, they were used by businesses to detect the fever brought on by the virus. Some of the principles of the thermometer were known to Greek philosophers of 200 years ago. The Italian physician Sandorio is commonly credited with the invention of the first thermometer. Structure of thermometer. Thermometer is made of a long narrow glass tube with a bulb at one end. The narrow tube appears as a continuous silver line because it is filled with mercury. Mercury is a metal which is in liquid state at room temperature, and it readily expands or contracts at the slightest change in temperature. In common use, temperature is measured on the Celsius scale denoted by degree C. Types of thermometer. There are commonly three types. First one, laboratory thermometer that are used in laboratories. Second one, clinical thermometer that are used to measure our body temperature. Third one, digital thermometer that are regarded as the fastest and most accurate type of thermometer. Laboratory thermometer. The thermometer is made relatively small so that it is portable and cheap. The liquid is contained in a thin-walled glass bulb. The round glass stem around the capillary tube is made thick. It acts as a magnifying glass. Laboratory thermometer ranges from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Next, precautions to be observed while using a laboratory thermometer. The laboratory thermometer should be kept upright and not tilted. The bulb should not touch the surface of the container. The bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance of which the temperature is to be measured. Next, clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer is a sensitive medical or doctor thermometer with a short but finely calibrated range. It ranges from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Each degree is divided into 5 small equal divisions. This thermometer is used for measuring human or animal body temperature. Next, construction of clinical thermometer. The construction is same as that of the laboratory thermometer. The only difference is there is a curved shape, light bend or sharp twist in the stem just above the bulb, called kink. This kink prevents immediate backflow of the mercury from the tube to the bulb. That is, it stops the mercury level from falling of mercury present in capillary tube into bulb. It ensures that the user takes the correct reading of temperature. The tip of the thermometer is inserted into the mouth, under tongue, under armpit, into the rectum via anus, or into the ear, or into the forehead. Next, precautions to be observed while using a clinical thermometer. Wash the thermometer before and after use. It should be washed with an antiseptic solution and dry it using cotton. Secondly, the thermometer should be handled with care. If it hits against some hard object, it can break. Thirdly, while regarding the thermometer, do not hold the thermometer by the mercury bulb. Fourth one is, the level of mercury thread must be below 35 degrees Celsius. How to read a clinical thermometer? Read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. Note the temperature difference indicated between two bigger marks. Note down the number of divisions that are shown by smaller marks. Next, wash the thermometer with an antiseptic solution. Next, hold it firmly and give it a few jerks to bring the level of mercury below 35 degrees Celsius. Place the bulb of thermometer under your tongue. After 2 minutes, take out the thermometer and take the reading. This gives us body temperature in degrees Celsius. Besides, as the temperature of a healthy man is 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit, so special bold or red mark is made on the surface of thermometer at 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The thermometer is thoroughly shaken before measuring the temperature of the body. Then the measuring mercury level drops and remains inside the bulb. In this condition, if the thermometer is placed under the tongue or arms, the temperature and consequently the volume of thermometer increases. Clinical thermometer is very handy to handle and give fast and accurate result. Many newer thermometers are use infrared radiation to record the temperature at alternative points such as the eardrum or forehead. Next, digital thermometer. What is digital thermometer? Digital thermometers are temperature sense instruments that are easily portable, have permanent probes, and a convenient digital display. The way a digital thermometer works depends upon its type of sensor. Sensor types include resistance temperature detector, that is RTD, thermocouple and thermistor. It does not contain mercury. It has a plastic body which is easy to use. It consists of thermistor. What is thermistor? A thermistor is a temperature sensor, that is a type of resistor which resistance is dependent on temperature. It has a small device LCD, that is liquid crystal display, which display numeric value. It can read the temperature from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 105 degree Fahrenheit. In digital thermometer, reading of temperature is displayed digitally as in digital watches. Next, difference between heat and temperature. There are 3 comparisons. Students, memorize them. Let us meet in the next class.